little foggy. Oh, that's weird. Some leaves in front of the... Where's the other one? I'm going to use my big antenna, so I'm using the low one, 6 dBm. Finally, it's not raining or freezing. It's like 56 right now. 8-mile-an-hour winds. And not raining. I think it rained a little bit the last couple of days, and I think it's going to rain tomorrow. I think one of the goggle lenses is kind of foggy. I think it might have cleared up a little bit. I don't know if I touched it and I smudged it a little bit because on this definitely blurrier than the other one. Do this anymore. I'm surprised it hasn't snowed yet. I mean, technically it's November already, so I know not every year snows early. I remember the one year that snowed in like Halloween. Yesterday? I don't know if it's the first or second today. So it has. Not that it's normal, but we're definitely getting into territory that it's more common than not. And I picked this spot because they're playing basketball over there, so didn't want to fly over them, so. Yeah, it was rough. A little rusty.